I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone's NFC is on and Gcash account is fully verified. Open Gcash, sign in, and make sure your cash source is loaded. Once done, enable NFC in settings and keep the phone unlocked and screen awake. Payments won't work from a locked or sleeping device. You do this because NFC requires active foreground access and verification prevents declines. Now tap the Pay or Scan Card option in the app to prepare for the terminal interaction. You now execute the transfer. Choose Pay in Gcash and select the Tap to Pay or Show Card mode. Then hold the phone's middle back close to the terminal reader, flat and steady, for about 1 to 2 seconds. Quick brushing can fail. While holding, watch for vibration or a confirmation sound and an on-screen success message. If prompted, enter your Gcash PIN or biometrics. This authenticates the transaction. Make sure to keep the phone aligned with the reader until the terminal prints or displays confirmation. Finish by confirming both the terminal and your app show a successful payment and save the digital receipt. If the terminal shows decline, first toggle NFC off and on and retry. If still failing, force close and reopen Gcash and attempt again. This clears temporary errors. If you see a debit on your Gcash but no terminal confirmation, record the transaction ID and immediately contact Gcash support. Explain the issue and provide the timestamp. That helps speed up reversals and protects your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.